The all-new Smittybilt Gen2 Overlander rooftop tent is the ultimate off-road shelter and has been developed for rigorous and repetitive outdoor use. The new tent is built tough, stays dry with a simple setup and simple teardown. Designed by enthusiasts for enthusiasts, keeping comfort and convenience as the top priority. Available in both standard and XL sizes. It's built tough. Engineered for strength and maximum durability, utilizing a thick 1-inch diameter tube framing with a heavy-duty 600D ribtop skin, making it the toughest we've ever created. Stay dry in the all-new Gen2 Overlander rooftop tent. The extended rainfly and waterproof polyester canvas is designed to protect from all the elements, including moisture, rain, wind, dirt, mud, and insects. Simple setup and tear down are a breeze with the new fast fold design, making it easier to open and close the tent. The new heavy-duty telescoping ladder extends all the way to the ground, allowing easy tent access. With this new tent, comfort and convenience remain top priorities. With a spacious interior and vented windows, it allows for excellent air circulation. The included mattress provides a comfortable night's sleep wherever you decide to camp. Enjoy seeing the great outdoors through the new Skylight window. And when the sun goes down, illuminate the inner tent with the included LED light strip. We're so confident in the quality of the all-new Gen2 Overlander tent, we're providing an exclusive industry-best 2-year replacement warranty. Go anywhere, live everywhere with Smittybilt's all-new Gen2 Overlander tent, the ultimate off-road shelter. Learn more at smittybilt.com.